Hello all, welcome back for another video of Service Reset My Car. Today I'm going to show you how you can reset the spanner light or the wrench light of an Nissan Juke from 2011. I'm going to show you how you can do that manually, so you can do it for yourself or for each other. Before we start, I want to mention our YouTube channel, Service Reset My Car. Have a look at our channel for more videos on how to reset different model cars. Use the commentary if you have any questions, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, let's start with this one. First of all, press or turn the ignition on to the second position without starting the car. Then, as you can see, there is a wrench light, and I reset it to 25,000 kilometers. I'm going to show you how you can do that. The first step was turn the ignition on, and within 2 seconds you have to press the right button and keep pressing that till the indicator on the dashboard starts blinking like this. When it starts blinking, let go and press it again, and as you can see, it jumps up to 30,000 kilometers, and when it stops blinking, the indicator for the surface or the oil must have been reset. Let's check. As you can see, it started now to count from 30,000 kilometers and downwards. Once again, ignition off, ignition on, and within 2 seconds, press the right button. Keep pressing that till the indicator flashes. Let go, press again, and wait for it to stop flashing. And when it does stop flashing, the indicator is reset. That was it. I hope you enjoyed it and it worked for you. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and I hope to see you next time with another video. Stay safe, take care, bye bye.